Hey everyone, it's Shawnee, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fudge brownies. Let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350. Next, you're going to melt a half a cup of butter and 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. You're just going to put it in a large saucepan. And then turn on the burner to about medium heat so it can all melt together. You're going to want to stir it occasionally so it doesn't burn. Once your chocolate and butter are all melted, you're going to take that off the stove, put it on a hot pad. Next, you're going to take 1 cup of white sugar, put it in, and stir. Next, you're going to add 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and beat that together. You're just going to want to beat it a little bit, don't overmix it. And then you're going to take 3/4 of a cup of flour and add that and mix all together. And again, just don't stir it too much. Just until everything is combined. Now in a 8x8 greased baking pan, you're going to put your brownie batter in there. And now just spread out your brownie batter so it's nice and even. Okay, now you're going to put them in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, the brownies just came out of the oven. They smell so good. This recipe makes about 9 brownies. Thank you so much for watching.